all I can say about my nights of ayahuasca is wow. What a incredible second night. The first night was physically healing. The second night was one of the most joyful, blissful, happiest, jolliest, smiliest, pure fun, happiness and joy and bliss. I had an amazing many hours worth of moving my body and kind of dancing, connecting with my mom in spirit, having just the best time ever. I had truly one of the best, if not the best, night of my life. It was unbelievable, it was incredible, it was sensational. I'm just so joyful and cheerful and overjoyed that I got a chance to experience this. It was absolutely magnificent. I'm so grateful. I'm still feeling so happy even just thinking about it. My preparation diet for the previous 2 weeks was I gave up hot chocolates. I didn't have any hot chocolate, no solid chocolate, no salt, no fermented foods, no kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, no cooked food, no heated food, no warm food. Just didn't feel like any warm food, but I did. Nothing cooked. I ate a raw vegan diet, which I usually do, but I sometimes would have a hot chocolate, for example. I didn't have any processed milk like almond milk or like oat milk, for example, from the carton. I didn't have any salads. I just ate fruits and a little bit of nuts, just like what I have here, for example, some pine nuts, some tomatoes. Here's a really big tomato. I got a squash that's delicious, organic from the Happy Pear in Arklow in Ireland. I ate lots of these lovely delicious mangoes. Oh, so good. It's important how you prepare, you know. And the last 2 days I had very little to no herbs, basically almost no herbs, like, you know, didn't want to risk it, you know, I just wanted as best I could, you know. But yeah, I don't know what to say. I was so blessed and fortunate, and even the playlist of the music, the songs, just staggeringly gorgeous, such reverent music of devotion, gratitude, love and appreciation. And I've been listening to it before and since, because my partner, my wife, went previously a few weeks beforehand, so maybe a month or so before, and she's been life-changing for her. My experience was ticklish, it was fun, it was great, it was amazing. A little bit of apprehension or fear at the beginning, the first night for sure, even a bit of apprehension or like nervousness at the second night. I don't know what to say really. Overall, I'd highly recommend ayahuasca for sure, for anyone who's ready, open, who's willing to take it seriously and do it with intention for healing and letting go of potential any past trauma, reaching a higher state of being, a higher vibrational frequency consciousness that they have the potential to step into, as if to let go of some stuff that holds them back and holds them down. Met some beautiful people there. I loved everybody there, you know. It's just really nice. Obviously you connect with some people more than others, you see some people more than others, some people want to be seen or talked to more than others. Sometimes we need space. It's all perfectly divine anyway, you know. Gorgeous souls there though. Beautiful hosts, beautiful people, facilitators. It was nice, so nice. I had a chance to go with my sister, who I've never ever in my entire life, not even once, had a quality time out together. We went together. I picked her up, drove 6 hours in the first day and 6 hours on the way back, maybe even more. Probably more in all fairness, more like 7 or 8. But it was well worth it, and I'm just so happy and grateful. So yeah, lots of love to you, and you know, if you're interested in healing and you're on my station, my channel, my page for healing, for having a happier life, more peace, and feeling goodness and having blessings in your life more, and feeling happy and blessed and free, I'd suggest look into this. And it's ayahuasca is a plant medicine, and entheogen as it's called, it's a sacred plant medicine, and it's thousands of years old in the Amazon, from the Amazon jungle, and it's in Peru, Brazilian jungle, I presume. And it's brewed sacredly with prayer and positive intention, and it's never left as it's brewing for over a day long. It's sacredly bestowed upon with love and gratitude and intention for goodness and healing of the people who take it, which is very important and special and precious. To be honest, it would be very powerful and important if we all did this more with our food and drink and water. Truly, it's very important. I'm going to start doing it much more now. And also, if anyone's interested in healing, raising your frequency and consciousness and letting go of past heaviness and trauma that holds us back and keeps us contracted in a state of lower quality living, so to speak. Not that no step or page of a book or age of our life is better or worse. No maturity. Maturity is not better than immaturity, and being 50 is not better than being 11 or 15 or 30. Everything is allowed and acceptable and perfect, but we also have a choice to grow and reach different experiences. But if you grab my 2 free books I have many video courses on different topics. I have 2 gift books for you to receive if you wish, and also a free monthly workshop on a topic of my books or video course on healing yourself, your life, your relationship, your family, and your ancestral line. So grab that in the link down below. I'm trying to just check out the link. It's on my community page where people can chit chat and talk and connect and grab the books and converse, share experiences, ask questions, and of course attend a free monthly workshop. And for any subscribers, it's like twice a month on a topic with Q&A as well. And lots of love. My name is Owen Fox. If you don't already know, I'm wishing you a beautiful day and life and moment, and all the very best in your life. Life is meant to be challenging, up and down, but we can have much more ups and softer, kind of like less unnecessary. We can get rid of some of the stuff that's not like fully 100% necessary, if you know what I'm saying. So we can it can become a bit easier, more magical and joyful and lovely, truly, as we heal and grow and learn. But I have compassion for everybody, including yourself, and everyone's struggling, and I struggle. We all struggle at times, but it's become a tremendous amount easier for me as I've learned hard lessons, and to be more of service and my path, my purpose more. And you can and will do the same if you wish. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy being outside in nature. The beach is just there, the ocean. Woohoo! I still can't get over how amazing Ayahuasca was, I have to say. It was just incredible. I'm just so happy with it. Woohoo! Man, that soul of divine Ayahuasca, plant medicine, sacred. I love it so much. Can't wait. I'm looking forward so much to my next healing ceremony. Gorgeous, beautiful people and souls. So much, both facilitators and attendees. I love and connect with the Ayahuasca all for the last 2 weeks beforehand. Just appreciating the people who collect it, the jungle, the forest where it grows, the people who pray over it, brew it, sing to it, tend it while it's cooking and brewing for over a day. The people who are involved, who are setting good intentions and holy, positive vibes towards it, and all the people taking it. Just so grateful. I just love it so much. I love the whole process. It's healed so many people for so long. So many people for so long. It's a special thing. It's beautiful. I love so much Pachamama, Mother Earth, Madre Tierra. I love the sun. I love all of the beings and consciousnesses of all life forms, beings, inanimate, objects, life forms, microbes, plants, insects, and people. I love life, and I'm loving my journey, and I'm okay with discomfort, but I love pleasure and joy and ease and simplicity and flow and grace also. I'm loving my life right now. I feel I've been through the hardest I've ever gonna go through life. I'm thinking now this year I've been through the hardest, even harder than my lessons when I was 20, when I lost my health. My health was shattered, my life was shattered, my relationship with God was shattered. Everything I liked to do was gone, shattered, taken away, stripped away, and then after that was my ego being stripped away too. So yeah, life is a bag of tricks, a bundle of surprises, and I'm just so happy to be here in my physical body, having an adventure. Looking forward to passing on. Dying is easy, they say, painless as well, and beautiful, so homely and serene when we go back to where we came from. But I'm truly and absolutely in no rush to go home, because I love this place. I love visiting here on Earth, and it's great. The creation of it is unreal. God, source, universe, great spirit, it truly is a wonderful, unfathomable, very infinitely intelligent and creative and playful being or consciousness. And I love life on God's source universe, great spirit. I love trees, I love so much. I love Mother Earth, I love going out barefoot, I love breathing, I love essential oils, I love crystals, I love the earth, the sky above me. So sometimes when me and my family are a bit upset or stressed or tired, like feeling a bit off or whatever, let's go out and get some fresh air. Not only fresh air, but let's get some sky above our head. I think we need that. And if possible, weather permitting, let's get a bit of Mother Earth connection, barefoot grounding, barefoot connection to Madre Tierra, Mother Earth in Spanish. Madre de todo, mother of all in Spanish. So yeah, I speak Spanish too as my second language. I'd say a strong medium. At least probably there or thereabouts. Lots of love. Thanks again for watching. Wish you the best day ever, at least a nice day. Wish you a nice day, a lovely evening, a lovely day, a lovely happy new day, a lovely afternoon. And blessings of love and light to you and your loved ones. See you again. And yeah, of course, don't forget to give this a like, share, subscribe and a comment. Especially a comment. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think? How are you feeling? What you up to? Anything new? How are you feeling with things? Life, ayahuasca, sacred plant medicine, this, that and the other. As well as supporting the channel by giving a like, share and subscribe, of course. And look forward to new videos. Bye bye. Thanks again. Have a great day.